following segment is sponsored by Carr Carr. The world of Social Security can be more than intimidating, so now the attorneys at Carr Carr are going to help clients with Social Security disability. Here to explain today is Michael Carr. Welcome in. Thank you so much for coming in.
Well, thank you for having me.
Okay, so Social Security, if you are a disabled person, maybe you were hurt in a car accident or suffered a stroke or had some other form of a disability, how can you go about getting the money that you may need just to be able to pay rent, get groceries, and get by?
Right. Well, Social Security disability, it's a federal program that allows you to get a certain amount of income each month if you can show that that you're disabled. And so essentially what you have to show is that you haven't been able to work for the last 12 months because of an injury or a disability, or that you're almost for sure not going to be able to work for the next 12 months. And if you meet those qualifications, you can apply for Social Security disability. And if you are accepted, they'll pay you a certain amount a month, or a certain amount for each month going forward.
Okay, so just to give you a personal example, I have a son who has Asperger's syndrome. He's probably going to be able to work just fine, but
right.
If, you know, I have friends that have children that are disabled, cerebral palsy or other things that's not going to allow them to be able to work, does this also work for children, and at what age should parents contact an attorney for this?
Right, well, so there's something for children called SSI, and that allows them to get a certain amount of money each month. And then if you are an adult and you're on Social Security disability, you might be worried that, well, if I go back to work, my benefits are automatically going to get cut.
Right.
But fortunately, what Social Security disability does, it allows you to have kind of a grace period. So you can go to work for, I think it's around 9 months or 12 months, and see if it works out. And while you're seeing if it works out, you still get the benefits.
Kind of wean off.
Yeah, you kind of wean off. And if you get started and you're working for a month and you realize, boy, my disability is just not going to allow me to go back to work, well, then you can still receive your benefits. But if you are able to work, hopefully you are, and you're able to go for more than 9 months or 12 months, then you will get your disability cut off.
Okay, so why hire an attorney for this? What are the benefits of bringing an attorney in to represent you if you need it?
Well, if you apply for Social Security disability, the chances are you will be denied on your first application. I think it's about 65, 75% of the time initial applications are denied. And so when that happens, you have to file an appeal, and you may have to go before a judge. And there's a lot of pleadings work, a lot of motion work. It gets very complicated. And that's a lot for someone who's disabled to take on themselves.
Sure.
And so an attorney can help that person out. It's no money out of that person's pocket. And so there's really no reason not to try to get an attorney to help you through that process.
Okay, all right. So for folks that may be interested or need this, and even for parents who may be trying to decide, it's probably best to call an attorney rather than try to navigate the waters on your own.
Yes.
All right. Okay, well, if you would like more information about this, all you have to do is contact Carr Carr, Attorneys at Law. You can call 918-747-1000, or you can check out their website, www.carrcarr.com. That's with 2 R's. Thank you so much for coming in today.